Hey everyone, welcome back. If CommBank notifications are not working, first start by checking the notification settings on your phone. Go to settings, search for notifications, and make sure that you've allowed the option for CommBank as well. Then open the CommBank app and check notifications preferences inside the app. Make sure the battery optimization or power saving mode is not blocking the app in the background. Turn it off if it is doing so. Then after making changes, restart your phone and apply the settings. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, wait, and then swipe it away. Wait for a few seconds and reopen it and check, and then restart your phone to apply the settings, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.